Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to show you how you can make your bullet points in your PowerPoint presentations appear one at a time, not all at once, but one at a time in your slideshows. So let us guide you through this. It is very simple. So head over to presentation PowerPoint, and what you want to do next, guys, is select the slide here on the left hand side you would like to customize and edit. So let me go with slide number 3 here for demonstration purposes, and after that pick the bullet points here on your slides. Let me go with these 3 bullet points here. What you want to do after that is click on the text box, and after that after selected the text box, head over to the animations tab here at the top, and from that list below select the animation you would like to apply to your bullet points. Currently on default it is on none, but you may, for example, click on that arrow down icon here to get a better overview of the available animations. And let me go, for the sake of the tutorial, with this animation here, appear, and that's basically it. After that you will see that symbol here next to the given bullet point, 1, 2, 3, so that's the animations. So to see this or watch this in the preview mode, guys, simply click on present here in the top right or on that arrow down icon and start the slideshow in its preview. After that, click or get to the slide you would like to watch or view. So let me go with that one here, and as you can see, these bullet points haven't appeared, but if you click on it, these bullet points will appear one at a time. And that's how it works in practice, guys. As you can see, very simple. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.